do you think you are? Who the fuck do you think you are? Was the question posed to me. Asked in your furtive glances when I dared to speak up. Asked after making love when we were supposed to be fucking, and after fucking when we were supposed to be making forever. It was asked when you were relentless in your anger, dead silent in your disappointment, furious in your self-hatred, never really wanting an answer, never cared what the answer was. It was asked to throw me into a contemplative silence, and it worked. I was scared to answer. Scared I wouldn't have an answer. Who the fuck do you think you are? Screamed in my face as your punches landed on my skin like a whip on a slave's back. Whispered between your sorrowful makeup cries of an abused child who became a gnawed man. Well, I want to answer. As a matter of fact, I am happy to answer your question. I am me. Now hold on, because when I say that, you get confused. It's understandable, because when you tell someone who doesn't really know you the answer to the question is me, they don't think of me. They think of the me they have created, only that's not the me I'm talking about. I'm talking about the me you don't see, the me you take for granted, the me that doesn't even know it's me until I say, oh, yes, that's me, and all my motherfucking glory, and all my fucked upness, and all the ways I have yet to understand. Bitch, yeah, that's me. Selfish, that's me too. Angry, bitter, loving, warm, tender, brilliant, all me. So damn me that I don't know who me is, because I got so many me's wrapped up in me. But I figured this shit out. And I want the clock to go back. I wanted to take you and me all the way back to the very first time you asked me that question, to the very first time you were so fucking confused by my me that it wasn't really a question. It was a condemnation, an accusation, a way of putting me in my place. So go for it. Ask me. Who the fuck do you think you are, Kalindra? Well, motherfucker, I'm glad you asked. Like Yahweh, God, formed from the word Haya, I am. I am the Alpha and Omega. I am strong. I am weak. I am kind. And I am filled with the kind of love that you will never take away. I am sick of your shit. So I'm going to stop this date from ever becoming a relationship. So you will never lay your hands on me and curse me and abuse me because you don't know who the fuck you are. I am going to allow this back to the future moment to be so that I will never lose sight of the very simple but true fact that I am me. That's who the